It looks like DJI has once again set the drone world abuzz, this time with the sudden appearance, and just as sudden disappearance, of what appears to be a leaked listing for the rumored DJI Avata 360 drone. The listing briefly surfaced on China's Xiaohongshu platform before being taken down, but not before screenshots spread like wildfire across the internet. And if even half of the details are accurate, we could be looking at one of DJI's most exciting and affordable drones yet. The leak suggests a starting price of just 2,988 yuan, around $426, for the drone alone, which immediately grabs attention. Considering DJI's reputation for premium pricing, this figure seems almost too good to be true. Several bundle options were also listed, including one with the DJI RC2 controller priced at 3,988 yuan and 2 premium kits going up to 5,688 yuan each. Those top-tier packages reportedly include useful extras like multiple batteries, a charging hub, and either DJI's flight goggles or a motion controller, perfect for anyone who loves immersive FPV flying. As for the specs, the leaked information paints an intriguing picture. The Avata 360 is rumored to feature a 1-inch image sensor, support 6K video recording at up to 60 frames per second with HDR, and include omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. If those details are accurate, DJI is clearly targeting creators who want professional-level cinematic or VR-style footage, rather than just casual flyers. But not everything aligns with earlier rumors. Some leaks from months ago suggested the Avata 360 would come with dual 1/1.1-inch sensors and even offer 8K 360-degree video capture. That inconsistency has sparked speculation that this might not be the final production version. Or perhaps it's a region-specific model still being tested internally. Even with the uncertainty, the leaked pricing is what's generating the most buzz. A drone capable of 6K HDR video, full 360 degrees capabilities, and omnidirectional avoidance for under $500 sounds almost too generous. If true, it would make the Avata 360 one of the most accessible panoramic drones on the market. For comparison, the anti-gravity A1, a competing 360 degrees drone system, costs significantly more when you include full kits and accessories. That's why some drone enthusiasts suspect these leaked prices might be placeholders or internal figures for the Chinese domestic market. Once taxes, certifications, and regional pricing adjustments come into play, the international cost could easily rise. Still, if DJI can keep the price anywhere close to that rumored mark, it would redefine what creators expect from a mid-range cinematic drone. But while fans are getting excited about the Avata 360, the timing of this leak comes against a complex backdrop. The US drone market is about to undergo a major shakeup in 2026 due to new Federal Communications Commission regulations. These rules will prevent certain foreign manufacturers from receiving FCC authorization for new models after December 23, 2025. Unfortunately for DJI, which currently dominates the American drone market with an estimated 70% share, this restriction could severely limit their future product launches in the US. Existing drones will remain legal to sell and use, but once stock runs out, no new DJI models will be approved. This means DJI's presence in the US could shrink dramatically in the coming years. Auto Robotics, another major Chinese manufacturer, faces similar obstacles. Though smaller than DJI, Auto is well known for its enterprise and professional drones, so the impact could be proportionally severe. Meanwhile, several other foreign brands such as Parrot, Unique, Potensic, Holy Stone, Wingtra, and Sensefly are expected to see milder effects, mostly due to their smaller US footprint. On the other hand, American-based drone companies like Skidio, Freefly Systems, Teal Drones, Airverment, Brink, Helio, and Zipline remain unaffected. These companies can continue developing and releasing new models without restriction, which may give them an edge as US buyers begin to look for domestic alternatives. The FCC's move is part of a broader effort to address national security concerns linked to foreign-made communication devices, especially when one company, like DJI, controls such a large share of the market. Still, for consumers and creators, the outlook isn't bleak. There are plenty of alternatives stepping up to fill the potential gap, offering both affordability and innovation. The Potensic Atom 2, for example, has been earning positive reviews as a lightweight, beginner-friendly drone that feels a lot like DJI's mini-series. Weighing under 250 grams, it doesn't require FAA registration for recreational flights and delivers crisp 4K video at 30 frames per second. It includes GPS, smart features, and even subject tracking, something DJI's Mini 4K doesn't have. At around $359, it's an impressive option for newcomers or hobbyists. especially with the free 45-minute drone filmmaking training, included to help users master camera angles, cinematic motion, and editing tricks. For those who prefer a more automated filming experience, the Hover Air X1 series offers follow-me drones that can track users in motion without manual control. The lineup includes the base X1 at $279, the X1 Pro at $499 with 4K 60 frames per second capability, and the top-tier X1 Pro Max at $699, which adds 8K 30 frames per second plus 4K HDR video. The X1 Pro Max has received great feedback for its strong tracking, excellent image quality, and intuitive flight modes. The only real drawback is its shorter 1,000-foot range, making it better suited for close-action footage like running, cycling, or outdoor sports rather than long-distance aerial shots. And then there's the futuristic anti-gravity A1 drone, which is turning heads with its unique dual-camera system. Equipped with cameras on both the top and bottom, it allows users to capture footage from multiple angles simultaneously. Even more impressive, it can automatically remove itself from the shot, creating seamless, invisible drone footage ideal for cinematic storytelling. This feature gives creators incredible flexibility in post-production, letting them reframe shots and craft professional-looking results with ease. Designed to be lightweight yet stable, the A1 includes intelligent flight modes such as automatic takeoff and landing, waypoint navigation, and obstacle avoidance. Its mobile app provides a real-time video feed and precise camera controls, making it both user-friendly and feature-rich. Even with DJI's uncertain future in the US, the global drone market remains vibrant. Whether you're a beginner just starting your aerial journey, a content creator chasing cinematic perfection, or a tech enthusiast exploring futuristic filming tools, there's never been a better time to fly. The DJI Avata 360 could still become a breakthrough model if the leaks prove accurate, especially with its rumored 6K HDR capabilities and immersive design. But even if DJI's plans shift due to regulatory hurdles, the competition is stronger than ever. Brands like Potensic, Hover Air, and Anti-Gravity are proving that innovation doesn't have to come with a sky-high price tag. Looking ahead, 2025 and 2026 are shaping up to be transformative years for the drone industry. DJI may face challenges, but its legacy of pushing boundaries has inspired a wave of creative alternatives ready to take flight. From affordable 360-degree drones to advanced AI-powered flight systems, the next generation of drones promises new levels of creativity, automation, and accessibility. For drone fans around the world, the sky isn't the limit, it's just the beginning.